What is going on, YouTube fam? Steven from the Vargas team here, and welcome to another property tour video. Real estate in 2022 is definitely not slowing down, and in fact, a lot of record-breaking sales and rentals are still taking place leading into the new year. So in an effort to give you guys the latest and greatest information about the current market, we're going back to a one-bedroom, one-bath at Brickell Heights for $3,200 per month. And if you're familiar with Brickell, more specifically Brickell Heights, then you know that this location of this condo is a superb location, and more specifically, the amenities in this building are some of the best amenities you're going to find in a condo of this price point. So I'm excited to share with you guys the location, the building, and the property tour, and all that jazz. Who uses the word jazz anymore? But before we do, you guys know the drill. Make sure you like this video by clicking that thumbs up button, and that helps tell YouTube to promote this video, and obviously it pushes my channel out to many more people. And then obviously, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. We post weekly Miami property tour content like this video and other cool content that's super valuable. So click that notification bell to be alerted and subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, guys, let's get straight to the video. Brickell Heights, one bedroom, one bath, $3,200, and enjoy. Brickell Heights stands at 50 stories tall and comprises of 2 towers completed in 2017 and offers a very sleek and modern design. Outfitted with some of the best amenities within the Brickell neighborhood, you can expect to find a variety of resort-style comforts and services to be enjoyed. The major selling point this building has to offer is the location, which is adjacent to some ultra-chic shopping and dining spots such as Brickell City Center and Mary Brickell Village. The city views from this property are truly stunning. You can enjoy some of the best architecture and design Brickell has to offer, all from the comfort of your own home. Now, that contemporary design and sophistication flows throughout the entire building, from this lobby with its accents all the way to the unit. Speaking of which, this one bedroom, one bath condo comes in at 609 square feet, and where it lacks in size, it makes up in functionality. The kitchen is lined up against the wall, maximizing the use of the surrounding space, but still providing ample counter and cabinet space. Not to mention the design with its lighter tones and refrigerator overlay are just gorgeous to look at. Further enhancing the use of its space is the bathrooms. Walking in, you find a large vanity that houses 2 shallow vessel sinks, along with its elongated mirrors that add a more contemporary design and premium feel. The end result is simplicity at its best possible way, not to mention that they were still able to fit in a bathtub shower combo with a glass panel and a rain head shower. I have to say that overall, the lighter tones from the paint to the tile flooring itself leads to a more airy feel throughout the day, which when flooded with natural light, to me is possibly the best feature this property has to offer. The amenities are completely resort style and offer a variety of options to choose from. Honestly, it's easy to get lost within all the rooms and venues this place has to offer, and it almost seems as if the entire concept was designed to keep you inside of this building for as long as possible. Joking aside, the 9th floor amenity deck is where you will find the majority of the amenities for you and your guests to enjoy. Among them is the swimming pool we just passed, along with multiple social rooms which are great for working out of or hosting an event. On the flip side, if relaxing and unwinding is more of your thing, then no worries, because Brickell Heights has you covered. Here you can find a spa with multiple massage rooms, but it also comes fitted with a hot tub, sauna, and steam room. Other options on this floor also include a movie theater, business center, kids playroom, and much more. Now, the 9th floor is not the best part. That, my friends, can be found on the rooftop, where not only will you find another swimming pool with more sunlight stretched throughout the day, but more importantly, some of the best and most motivating views the Brickell neighborhood has to offer. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Don't forget to like this video if you found value from the content, and subscribe to the channel for more Miami real estate videos. Thank you for tuning in, and as always, I will see you next week. Take care, and God bless.